So we'll go over session 4, but a quick explanation for 4 is going to be the future state. So once you've removed all your issues and all your waste, what should your future state look like? And what is the benefits that that's going to bring, the changes that you're going to introduce, okay? So we'll go through session 4. So this is my now future state. So this is my example of where I have really looked at my project, so making the toast, making tea, and how could I really condense that and improve in that and remove waste. So as you can see very quickly, I'm now doing some tasks in tandem at the same time. So I'll talk you through each step. So from getting the bread, switching on the kettle, I'm now switching on the kettle and putting my bread in the toaster at the same time. So the kettle and the toaster are both working. So I have reduced, I had 2.5 minutes wait at the beginning of my process, and then also towards the end when I was making my toast. And I made my tea first. So now I'm doing that at the same time. So I'm consolidating that waste and reducing it by 50%. I'm also then looking at, well, I'm going in the same cupboard for a cup of tea as for my cup as I'm going in the same cupboard for my tea bag. So I might as well get my tea bag and my cup at the same time. And the same with the drawer. I'm going in the drawer for a teaspoon. And then I'm also going back in the drawer for a knife. So why do I not just get the spoon and the knife at the same time? And then again, I'm going in the fridge for milk, and then I was going back in the fridge for butter. Let's just get the milk and butter at the same time. And again, it's just, I know that I know we're talking about tea and toast, but think about genuinely, like, I know that sounds really simple, but sometimes the most simple things are right there in front of you and you just don't realise. So just think about it like that. And so I've just condensed a lot of my tasks together, tried to reduce my wait time, and then I'm going to, and I've changed, so you can see I've made some changes. So I've moved my bread bin further up towards my cooker and my toaster, and I've moved my kettle over to beside my toaster, so my cup and my tea bag is directly above my kettle now, and I've moved the bread closer to the toaster. So really simple. I know it's really simple things that I'm doing, but it makes such a difference. And you can really see from my spaghetti diagram now that I've really reduced my movement around my kitchen. And by remeasuring my times it takes me to do my tasks and my wait time, I have reduced my process time not quite by 50%, but I think I was 408 seconds initially in my current state, and now I'm 218 seconds. So you can see in my process steps, I think I've taken down from 15 to 14 because I'm consolidating some of those tasks. So I hope that makes sense, but it's really simple. Please just look at this really simply, and you can make some really significant improvements. So again, use these slides here that are in your cadet pack to show a picture of your value stream map on this page, and then on this one, which is the summary, have either a photograph or your spaghetti diagram, and then your summary of your process steps, your times, your cycle times, your wait times, and then your overall process time, your total process time. Again, keep it simple. You can use my examples, but yeah, if you complete these slides in session 4, that would be brilliant. Okay, so your key learnings was your future state map. So how does it look now you've made the changes? And then what are those benefits that you've brought to your morning by reducing those bits of waste? Okay, so include in your future state your invention. So what will your invention, as well as making the really simple individual changes to your morning, what also would that invention bring to you?